Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the removal of some bits off the engine. Let me sit down. Some removal of some bits off the engine and give it a bit of a clean up, do a couple of jobs on it. So basically I've already started removing a couple of bits off it already, but I thought, you know what, might as well film it now. It's 13. So one there, one there. There were one here, but got that with the impact gun. Shouldn't be too difficult because obviously it's full of oil. If I just move it around here so you can see, and it's super light, this, there's no real issues. What I'm going to do is remove most of this. I've got to do the rocker cover gasket, and I do the timing belt as well while I'm here. Just get it all pretty much ready for getting it pretty much ready for when it goes in a few weeks, or next episode for you. Quite a nice easy one right at the very back here. There we are, okay. That one's off. Decent working fuel power steering pump there. Looks actually pretty clean and new, that actually, doesn't it? Looks pretty clean and new. There we are. Part numbers there. Obviously two there, one big one there. Then hopefully that should come off. Turbo. That costs that much to do that. Turbo. There we are. Right. So that's off. Should give me a chance to get to that now. It was quite tight when we was taking it off on the car, but looks manky inside. Let's give this a go. Let's try and take this off, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Is this going to be a stupid idea? Definitely not a stupid idea, that was it. Okay, I'm just going to take the alternator off. I'm not 100% sure if this is the alternator I actually need, but again, it will come in handy, won't it? There we are. I had to just skip the fuel filter. I will get it off because obviously I need to for the new fuel. Yeah, see one there as well. What I've done, I've just got an adjustable on the end with a 10mm, just holding that part there. Just going to spin that around. Sometimes it's a lot quicker to do it with your hands. Well, that's what the wife says to me anyway. There we are, that's one alternator off, as you can see. Very oily. I think it must have been the original one. There we are. The Valio, is it? Pop that to the side. Again, it might be worth some money. Right. Gonna do timing belt and head. So, what size do you reckon these are? 17. There we are, perfect. Just gonna whiz them straight off with the old impact. You know, it's a cheap one, it cost me £8 off Amazon. These to the side. stupid dog. And then you got a clip here. You got a clip there. There we are. Enough. Yeah, it actually looks. Let me just take off the tripod. So from first glance, is that the original? I'm not going to do anything with just yet. I just want to take all this off first, all of this, and then I'll align it. Then I'll get it all aligned. I'm guessing they're the timing marks, and they'll probably have to go in between here. We'll soon see in a minute. So Allen head. What else is there? Oh, there's another clip there. Clip there. Bolt there. Bolt there. It's quite a big job just in bolts this. So I'll get it back on the tripod. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, I've not read the manual for this one. This is, I'll be honest, pure guessing. Just from the couple of engines they have done. I'll put that there. That was the only Allen relay. Got a bolt there. I'm hoping. Is it a 10? It is a 10. Right, 10. 10mm these ones, 10. 10 here. I'll put it on a wrong bloody spanner on a wrong bloody one. Cheap tools, you see. I missed a bolt. An Allen key here, an Allen bolt here. It just attaches to this here. So again, we're looking at part number there. Do I give it a clean, do I not? I'll have a think about it. Right, so we've got a couple more bolts actually. Bugger. One here. Where's this clipped into? Where's this clipped into? Right, let's put that. We're a bit stuck on that bit for a minute. It's not having it impacts, not even the impact's getting it off. Impact here. I'll just show you dead quick. Proof. I'm going to probably come down. Yeah, it's not having it. It was moving this more than anything, but what I'll do, I'll have to come down again tomorrow with my blowtorch, see if I can heat it up. But what I'll do, it's not a lost day. I'll work on the head, see if I can replace the gasket and whatnot. And yeah, I forgot I had this. Right, that bar didn't work, so just going to go ahead and remove these and do the rocker cover gasket. So I was just looking then to see the HT leads. They've got numbers on, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just going to be easy for me to do that. Ooh, look at that. Do you see that then? All the oil in there. You know when I was doing my run the other day with it, it sounded a bit shite. So there it is. Right, so all the bolts are out. Just gonna lift, and let's have a see. Will this come off easy enough? Look how rank it is. Does this show? Does it show that it's never been changed? Oh crap. Right, so the aim now, take all this off. It's very brittle. It's breaking off everywhere. What? Patience. If you want it to do it right, it's got to be done right. Let's go from another angle.